Transforming skinny with push-ups. My journey, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, I want to take you on a journey of transformation from skinny to strong, powered by one of the simplest yet most effective exercises, push-ups. Beginning of the journey, not so long ago, I was struggling with being skinny and lacking muscle definition. It wasn't just about appearance, but also about feeling strong and capable in my daily life. That's when I turned to push-ups, a fundamental exercise that seemed humble but held immense potential. Getting started at first, it was challenging. My form was shaky, and I could barely manage a few reps, but with persistence and the right mindset, I began to see progress. Push-ups engage multiple muscle groups: chest, shoulders, triceps, and even core, and as I continued, I could feel myself getting stronger. Overcoming challenges like any fitness journey, there were obstacles, days when I felt demotivated, times when progress seemed slow. But with each setback, I reminded myself of why I started to transform my body and feel healthier and more confident. Seeing results gradually, the results started to show. My arms became more defined, my chest felt firmer, and I noticed an overall increase in strength. Push-ups became not just an exercise, but a measure of my progress and determination, pushing beyond limits. As I grew stronger, I challenged myself further, increasing reps, exploring variations like diamond push-ups and decline push-ups to target different muscles. Each variation pushed me to new limits and helped me break through plateaus. The mental shift. Beyond the physical changes, there was a profound mental shift. I gained discipline, resilience, and a deeper understanding of what my body is capable of achieving with consistent effort and dedication. Sharing the journey. Now, I'm sharing my journey with you, not just to showcase my progress, but to inspire you. Whether you're starting your fitness journey or looking to take your workouts to the next level, remember that transformation begins with a single step, or in this case, a single push-up. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one.